Hello friends, welcome back to our Python series Python for Network Engineer. We welcome you all to our YouTube channel Network for You. So in today's class we are going to discuss about Python operators. So let's start. If you see here, I already prepared these notes. I am going to share this in our WhatsApp group when we complete the Python operator, because in this part we are going to cover arithmetical operation. In next class we are going to cover assignment operator, then comparison, logical, identify, all other. So when we finish all this topic, then I can give you these notes. Okay. So let's start the Python operator. So let me zoom this one so you will have a clear picture of this one. Python operators. If you see, we can use operator in Python to perform various operation. Like in our C language or in any other language, we are using some operators. Arithmetical operation, assigning operation. Same like that, Python also supports some types of operation we are going to discuss. So first of all, arithmetical operation. With this operation, we can perform calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication with the arithmetical operation. Simple words, remember in arithmetical operation we can add, subtract, divide, that all thing we can do in the arithmetical operation. Whereas we have assignment operation, with this operation we can assign the value to the variable like a is equal to b, a is equal to c. This is normal basic operation what we do. Example, if I want to say a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, then if I want to say a, c is equal to a plus b, this is the assignment operator in our daily life, whatever daily life we are using. If you are using a plus b whole square, then we are writing a square plus b square plus 2ab, and if anyone give you the value a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, you will put the values and you will find the final answer. Same like that we have here also the operation operator. So we are going to use that one, assignment operator, to assign the value to the variable. Okay. Comparison operator, with this operator we can compare two value and return the boolean result. Like if I say a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, if a into b is equal to 1, then it is true. If it is not equal, then it is false. We can create some loops and we can do this one in our coding. In the coming classes we are going to discuss that one. When we write the code, we can do some logical operation saying if this is happen then true, if it is not happen then false, like that. Now in this class, just you need to remember the comparison operators are used to compare two value and return the result in the boolean result, that is true or false. We can return that one. Then we have logical operation. With the logical operation we can combine conditional statement, like if a is equal to b and c is equal to b, then do this one, or if a is not equal to b, then do this one. So we can use logical operation also to perform in our automation. Like if I say if router name is equal to this, if router password is equal to this, if authentication is equal to this, then take the backup. If authentication is not equal to this, don't take the backup. Like that we are going to learn when we are going to do the coding. But in this class, just you need to have the idea. Python support these types of operation. This is logical operation. Then we have identity operation. With this operation we can check if the variable point to the same object in the memory or not, so same location or not. We are going to discuss this one by one in detail, don't worry. Then we have membership operation. With this operation we can check if an item exists in another item, like a string or list or directory. And we have one more, that is bitwise operation. With this operation we can compare the binary number, or mostly by using the mathematical calculation. We are going to do one by one this all. In this class we are going to discuss this arithmetical operation. In next class we will do other. Slowly we will move and we will start coding. So now let me go to the dawn. So this is our today class main topic. This is the Python arithmetical operation. As discussed, with the arithmetical operation we can perform calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. So how we can do? In Python, just you will write 1 plus 1. You will have the answer 2. If you want to do subtraction, you will have 4 minus 1, answer will be 3. Multiplication means 3 into 3, that is answer is 9. Same as simple mathematical calculation. Same like this we are going to use in the Python. You need to have this idea, because when we are going to write the code, we are going to use this basic. So it is better if you know all the basic. And it is supporting the division operation also. When we want to divide any two number, then we have the answer. And if you want to use the remainder also, like modular operator we need to write percentage. So whatever is remainder, we will get that one. And we have exponential, like if you want to write 3 power 3, how we will write in the Python. In Python you need to write 3 star, again star and 3. That means 3 power 3. Okay. Example, if you want to write 2 power 2, how you will write? You will write 2 into 2, means 2 2s are 4. So you will have this 4. This is very important, because in coding, whenever we want to duplicate or repeat the number, we will use these types of operators. So if you see here, I wrote this one. Then we have float division. As we know, float division result the rounding value. Means, example, if you divide any number, example, if it is coming 17.3234 like this, then if this number is less than 5, then it will reject this all, it will take only 17. Okay, we are going to do that one, no worry. Let me open calculator and show you this one, this example. Anyhow, in Python, like in the Python shell, we are going to perform this one, and we are going to show you also. Let me show you here. If you see, we have 16 divided by, let me take divider, where is divided by 3. This one I am doing 3. If you do this one, the answer will be 5.333. If you see, this is the answer, 5.333. So if you use the float division operator, then he will remove this one. Okay, let me show you. Example, this 16 divided by, like this symbol, float operator symbol is this one. If you want to use float operator, you need to write 2 time division. So if 16 divided by 3, the answer will be 5 only. If we normally divide 16 divided by 3, then answer will be 5.3. So with this float division operator, what we are doing, we are rounding out the number. Means if we have 5.3, we are rejecting this 3. If we have more than 5, this one, then we will take 5.7 we have, then we will take 6, like this. In some scenario, we need to do this way also. So that's why we are discussing, because Python is supporting this one also. And conclusion, what we can conclude with this, like we learn how to do the calculation in Python, arithmetical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulation, exponential, and the float division. Let's do here. This is a Python shell I open in the command prompt. If I want to do, example, if I want to add 1 space plus space 1, this one we get the 2. So this addition is working in the Python. We can say this one, first one, this is the done, no issue, we done this one. Now I can go, I can do the second one. If I want to do second one, I will write 2 space minus space 1, then this one. So with this one, you can say subtraction is also okay in the Python. Okay, now I will do another one. Like example, if I want to multiply, I will write 2 multiply 2. Okay, I will write 2 multiply 2. Let me go here. I will write 2 space multiply space 2 and then press enter. So multiplication is also working. So we can say this is also okay. Python support this one also. Now we will go for division. So how we will do division? Example, I will write 4 divided by 2. I will put enter, that is 2.0. So we can say with this one, division is also working. Then modulation, modulars. Modulus means, example, like I want to divide 9 divided by 3, example. So what output is coming? Okay, 9 divided by 2. Let's see 9 divided by 2. It is better if we give spaces, so it will be nice. You have 4.5. You have 4.5, but if you do with modular, what we will do, if we want to do modular, you need to write here percentage. Now you see there is a reminder 1, so we are getting the reminder. So this one modulus also supporting by the Python. If you want to get the reminder, we can do like this. An exponential, like exponential, we can say e power x, 2 power x, like that we can do also. Example, I want to say 2 power 2. How we write 2 power 2 time into then 2. So 2 2, what is 2 power 2 2 2? That is 4. So with this one we can say this exponential also working. We can say this is also supporting by the Python. And floor, let's see floor division. How we will do floor division? Example, I will do here 16 16 we wrote, right? Example 16. So I will write 1 6, 2 times this division symbol, then I will write 3. So this should be, answer should be 5.33 if we do normally. But by using the floor division, we will get answer will be 5 because it will round off the number. Example, if I am getting 5 point something, like just now as we discussed, if I am getting 5.33333, this 3 he will reject this one, he will consider only 5. Or if we are getting bigger number, then he will change this 5 to 6. Okay, that we are going to see, but now you need to have the idea this operator is supported by Python. In our coming classes we are going to use these types of operation. So in this class we learn this one. Next class what we are going to learn, let me show you. In next class we will have the this one, assignment operator. Okay, if possible we will do assignment as well as this one both in one class. If not, we will have one by one. Every week we will have this one. Okay, so thank you very much for seeing our video. Subscribe to our channel, share with your friend who is interested in CCNA 200-301, Python and Encore NRC. We are going to bring everything in our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Bye.